Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to get ready together. And I have a special product that I'm going to be using all throughout the video, and they are the Match Stix from Fenty Beauty. So if you want to know how I got this look with the Match Stix, then keep on watching. Hey guys, so I'm back, and keeping with the bronze glowy theme of my skin, we're gonna do something like that for the eyes. And we are gonna be using my Woman by Anna brush. This is the flat shader brush, and remember the bronzing product, bronze color that I use on my skin, we're gonna be using this. So just put the product, there you go, or you can put it directly on your lid. I just like it to trace my entire lid with it, and if I want a little bit more, then I can just put it directly on my lid. I like using this brush because it's very precise. There, see that? It's a beautiful shade, guys. Oh, beautiful. So it's all over my lid now, and using the tip of the brush, this one, just apply the product on the tip, and I like to trace it on my lower lash line. Yes, you can see. So of course, please. So now the product is all over my lid. I'll go back to my blending brush. Hold on a second. Let me touch the screen. That looks better. Okay. So with the blending brush, I'm just going to soften the crease. There. And then if you want a little bit more definition, you can go back to Truffle. Just apply it on the product, on the tip of the brush. And then you can apply it on the sockets if you want a little bit more definition. So we're just going to show you how this is not just meant for the eye, or the face rather, but it's also for the eye. See? It's beautiful, guys. Just blend it further. See how beautifully defined your eyes get just with those two products. Now we're going back to the shader brush that I used earlier, and use the cleaner side of my brush, and we are going to go back to Bamboo. That's the color that I used as a foundation. Cleaner side. And just apply it on the brow bone. There you go. And if you want some highlight on the tear ducts, we can also do that, and we can use Trippin. There you go, it's focused now. We're just going to do one eye, and then I'll do the other eye off camera. And we're going to be lining my waterline with Marc Jacobs. I love this pencil. Yeah. This is in the shade, what shade is this? Brownie. So we're going to use this on the waterline. I'm going to tightline as well. And my trusty Kevin Aucoin lash curler. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I like to bring up the lash curler for maximum effect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 seconds. So I like to curl from the roots, the middle part, and the tip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you create the curl instead of a bend. And for luscious lashes, I'm going to be using my Laura Mercier mascara in black. This is not a sponsored video. I do love Laura Mercier though. So I like to obviously apply the mascara from the roots and wiggle it up. And I like to actually apply the mascara going to the sides of my eye. I think it makes for a more flirty cat eye look. You can see. And don't forget to comb your lashes. This is just a lash comb from Sephora. And then you can apply a second coat of mascara if you wish. I like them full and thick. This is a very beautiful mascara. Adds volume without clumping, and it also lengthens in my opinion. An eye look is never complete without applying mascara on your lower lashes, so make funny faces when you apply your lower lash mascara. I'm just gonna put it here and there. You guys see it? No, you can't, so I'll go back here. Sorry, I'm all over the place right now. I did have my coffee, though. It's out of focus, sorry. So, this is one eye done with my Fenty Match Stix. I'm going to do the other eye off camera, and then we're gonna go back and finish off this look. Yeah? Hi guys, so the eye look is done. I hope you like it. It's very bronze, very effortless, and it was actually just made with the Match Stix. And I only used 2 brushes. Yeah, I only used my shader brush. I applied the rum. I applied rum all over the lid and the lower lash line. And then I also used one of my brushes. This is the blending brush, just to soften the lid. And then you can also use this if you just have a tissue, just clean it off, and then use Truffle on the crease. And then again, you go back to the cleaner side of the shader brush for bamboo on your brow bone, and then you can clean this again and apply Trippin on the teary ducts. So you know guys, it's makeup shouldn't be complicated. You need to have good products so that you can achieve beautiful effects in minimum time with as little products and tools as possible. So I hope you guys like this eye look. We're gonna be doing the lips, and then maybe, no, not maybe, I'm gonna do my hair in front of the camera. Why not? Because this is a get ready video anyway. So you guys like the look. We are back and we are almost finished. I'm gonna be using obviously the very famous Fenty Gloss Bomb over here, but we're gonna do two lip looks for you. One is using RIddic on the lips, and one is a slightly, not slightly, but a softer, more everyday look. So I'm using the Milani lip liner in all natural, and what I like to do when I do my lips, we're gonna overline just a little bit. Just dab off the lip balm a bit. Now when I overline, I just overline the upper lip. So we go from here, from the sides. You can see. Just a little over your natural lip line. And I like to curve to make the tips of my lip really rounded. Reminds me so much of Bianca Balti's campaign for Dolce & Gabbana. You guys see it. You can also use this lip liner from MAC called Stone to overline, but I like this one because it looks very natural. Just overline a bit. Yeah, just the tip. Make sure it's rounded. Just a little bit, and go to the lower lash, lower lip. You can also slightly overline. That's fine. I like lip liners because it makes my lipstick last longer. And for longevity, I like to fill my lips in, because when you eat and when you drink and you just have a lip liner, you don't want just a line on your lips. Yeah? Even if I'm wearing bright colored lipsticks, I like to fill in my lips with a nude color. Lips is slightly overlined, feeling pouty today. And I'm just gonna use RIddic to show you beautiful spring, summer, bright look. Okay, I'm just going to use, what brush are we gonna use? I'm gonna use my flat shader brush, this one. I think this is such a beautiful color. I think I said that already. I do sound like a broken record. Sorry guys. We're gonna use this everywhere. I like to use a brush because I want to make sure that the sides and clean, especially because this is a pretty bright color. So if you're not precise, it's not gonna, I mean, for me at least, it doesn't look very good. Especially since I overlined my lip a bit. It reminds me so much of the Monica lipstick from Dolce & Gabbana, but more matte. Now it's beautiful like that. But if you want to intensify, you can add a little bit more. See how beautiful it is? And it doesn't cake. I think this is a beautiful look for summer. You've got beautiful glowy skin, beautiful bronze eyes, and a bright lip for summer. I think it's gorgeous with your summer dress, and you know, I think it's a very beautiful look. Now, if you want to tone it down a bit, you've got the beautiful gloss from Rihanna as well, from Fenty Beauty, and you can just put it over top, just to tone down the color. Can I just say, the smell is divine. So this is a toned down, glossier version of the lip. Hi guys, thank you for staying with me and getting ready with me on this beautiful Friday morning. And if you like this video, please like, and if you're not yet a part of the Woman by Annie family, please subscribe. We're gonna have loads of fun together. So from 2018 and from the years to come, it will be all about empowerment through beauty. We're gonna be doing a lot of beauty videos together on myself and on other people. There will be styling videos, and of course we're going to be doing some work in the kitchen. I would love to share my healthy, yummy, and easy vegan recipes with all of you. So what are you waiting for, guys? Subscribe and join the family. So from my home to yours, mwah, I love you all so much, and I'll see you all soon. Happy weekend. Bye.